Winter. It's the season filled with cold weather and short days. A time where it's easier to stay inside, but makes us eager to get outdoors. The weather for the weekend said it was gonna snow, so we decided to go on a hike. Our first stop was Picture Mountain. While it was going to be a short hike, we made sure to bundle up.
Ready to go?
As we made it to the halfway point, a storm started to move in. The wind started to pick up, and we began to lose visibility. There's something about snow that brings me peace and happiness. It's kind of like nature hitting a mute button.
How you feeling?
Cold.
When we finally reached the top, the only thing visible was the fire tower. On a clear day, you'd see beautiful rolling hills, but today all we could see was fog and snow. Nonetheless, the experience was amazing. We headed back to the car, loaded our bags, and made our way to our next stop. Due to the storm, which should have been a 2-hour drive, turned into a 3. Road conditions were bad, but the mountain views were spectacular. The snow continued to fall, but that didn't stop us from attempting our next hike. Lonesome Trail is a 3-mile round-trip hike that leads to a beautiful mountain lake. The snow was packed down tight, making the start of the trail easy. From the very beginning, the scenery was stunning, pine trees coated in white, turning the forest into a winter wonderland. As we made our way deeper into the woods, the trail grew steeper, and while we were committed to completing the hike, not everything went according to plan. We failed, guys. Unfortunately, we lost daylight. We got here a little too late. Winter, daylight savings, not on our side, so.
It also didn't help that there's a snowstorm today, and so the roads were really bad. So it was supposed to take us 2 hours to get here, and it took us almost 3.
There was a lot of traffic.
Yeah, but we hiked a mile up the trail, Lonesome Lake trail, and then Anthony was like, we're gonna have to go back. The sun is dipping.
You can't tell now, but it's actually really dark right now.
Yeah.
So
thank goodness we came back, because if not, we would have been stuck up. It would have been bad.
life continues.
It's okay.
We're gonna go back to our hotel and
After arriving at the inn, we got ready to head to dinner. I'd be lying if I said we weren't a little disappointed about how our last hike ended. This was our first planned weekend in a while, and we really wanted to make the most of it. But after a long day in the cold, windy weather, we were ready to slow down and wind down for the night. The next morning, we packed our bags and set out on our final drive. We had two options, west through the Kank or north towards Mount Washington Road.
Ready for our second adventure today? Okay.
We chose Mount Washington. We'd driven it once before in the fall, just past peak season, but seeing it blanketed in fresh snow was beautiful. We kept things simple, stopping at scenic overlooks along the way. Our favorite stop was just outside the Mount Washington Hotel.
So cool.
The mountain felt massive and powerful, covered in snow with fog rolling across its peak. Despite the failed hike, this weekend reminded us to be present. Things don't always go to plan, and that's okay. Bad weather can be discouraging, especially when weekends feel like the only chance to get away. But making the most out of what you're given is what matters most. Slowing down, staying flexible, and welcoming the challenge made the experience that much more memorable. Plus now this means we have something to come back to at a later time.